Hey squad! I am also featured in this video to share a little love message. Let's start with a question. Do you think pride is blocking your ability to receive? Tell me what you think in comment section. The topic of the day is pride.
Hey guys, my name is Sexis. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So guys, I am going to be showing you the way I pack, or the way I think is very helpful. And I usually divide the list with clothes, toiletries, beauty products, shoes, so that it just makes sense. First thing I do is I make a list. So make that list, make it. It's going to be very helpful.
Do you know that God hates what harms us? And I just found it out that pride kills humility. Look at Proverbs 6 verses 16 to 19 from the Bible. There is more to pride than you think. Please watch Social Della sermon to understand the depth. Anyways, let's continue packing. Pride makes you feel like apologizing is unnecessary. Well, let me tell you. It is very necessary to respect people's feelings. What you put out to the world comes back multiplied. And then you wonder why you keep attracting same toxic people. You still wonder why you stuck in the same circles. God rewards humble people. Let's refer to James 4 verse 6. God resists the proud but gives grace to the humble. This is what pride do. Imagine this. You are surrounded by great people, people with high status that can actually help you. What you will tend to do with your heart filled with pride is to try and impress them to prove that you are somebody, instead of being humble enough to ask for wisdom. God will position you next to people who are great and you will miss out what God has for you, while serving pride.
Is an introduction really necessary for someone we all know so well?
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher,